basics about needles. Now I am telling about you microscope, right? So two parts, one is microscope, another is micromanipulator. First I will tell you about microscope, then micromanipulator. So microscope, if it is Nikon and Olympus, part will be same. So which microscope is this? Olympus, that
Olympus 73 model.
IX73 inverted microscope. Why we call this inverted?
Written over here.
Light source from
All the
इसका सब कुछ उल्टा
ulta. So microscope number are written over here. Remember this.
Yeah, if any of the microscope, the model should be in front.
And depending upon when you buy from any vendor, in case you don't go to any company directly, they may give you an old model. ठीक हो रहा है?
Right,
You know what happened with big incubators, no? So many were, you know about that incident, no? Incubators ka orders taken and not delivered.
बताया सर that.
So always going for latest model. अभी IX73 है almost.
IX73 है. Now
88 for
83 is also available, but it is little costly, so people are going for IX73.
73.
If we go for Nikon or Olympus, parts will be same. Condenser will be same. This is condenser. This is polarizer. What polarizer do? It will increase or decrease your brightness, not intensity, brightness of your image. If you can see, I am just revolving and the intensity is changing. So actually everyone's eyes is having different view, right? So once we set according and then we start working. This is called condenser. This is the main part of microscope. From there every light setting is there. So this is one is called bright field. So in every microscope there is one bright field, then RC filters. So there are filters into it. So there is bright field, then RC1, RC2 and RC3. So RC1 is used for 10x, RC2 is for 20x and RC3 is for 40x. That is called rational contrast. This is contrast, that filters which set your image quality. So for sperm you can see in 2D image only, but for oocyte you need 3D image. Once you see 3D image you can find the better morphology of the oocyte. So for that you should put on RC1, RC2. In case of Nikon you should put on an NAMC1, NAMC2 and NAMC3. Here you can in Olympus there is one extra part if you order it, so that is called magnification changer. So here you have 10x light eyepiece, right? And the objective you are get with the microscope is that is 4x, 10x and 20x, right? If you get magnification changer, so that magnification changer is option of 1.6x and 2x. So means once you are reach at 20x and you put at 2x, so it means you will reach to 40. 40 into 10 it means 400 times zoom, correct? For Nikon you don't need to purchase extra. There is one in front, that is 1.6x. You just put it, your objective will reach to 1.6. Means
Olympus, this thing is to be purchased extra.
yeah, that will be extra cost. If you want you can purchase. Again if you install laser then you have to remove. But Nikon it's here, so you never need to remove, correct? This is light source intensity. Here you can increase your light source. From here you can turn it on and off. This is halogen light source. In Nikon you will get LED. LED is having the best thing that you will get cool light. Another you will get white background. So white background is easy to work as compared to yellow background. This is the part from where we set the light. Actually this is the entire open, right? Our objective, if you see the 4x objective, there is one open space, hole. So we should set light accordingly that our light should go on only that path. If it will,
Something like aperture.
yeah. So basically this is aperture that you set accordingly to your objective size. So if objective, I will go to 4x first, see inside and put it to minimal and then set it. It should be one hexagon. It's not clear in that, but inside it is hexagon. and I will fix hexagon accordingly that it will cover entire your objective, entire your eyepiece. That's it. So you can see there is simple straight light which is going to your objective. So your image will be clear. If the light will separate at different path, your image will not as clear than this. So first of all, you should set the octagon. Once you install the microscope, you see that octagon is into the center or not, and then you start your working. From here you can set the light intensity or more clarity for this, but it's once if you will set, then you don't need to change again and again. Here 4x, 10x and 20x, 3 objectives are there.
Then tell them how to use bright field and how to shuffle between these.
Yes, so bright field. If we go at 4, so that 4, that is RC3. So 4 is used for 40x. 3 is used for 20x. So this is the actual system. So mostly the basic setup we always do on bright field. Whenever we start setting up our microscope, needles, start the thing at 4x, we always use bright field. Correct? Now this is all about microscope. Microscope, this is light source generator. Here you turn it on and then slide. For Nikon, it's simple, one LED is there, it connected, this part you will not find. Correct?
Sir, but I think we, as told by you, we should always go for halogen.
No, I always told you that
Yellow light.
halogen is a warm light.
Yeah.
LED is a white light. You always feel when you use a warm yellow light, you get better resolution. But nowadays we are shifting to LED lights due to the life of an LED light is very high. वो बताओ ना इनको. LED
Yes.
strip comes into this.
Yes, sir, I told the people who were earlier used to work with halogen, they like to work with halogen only.
Light, yellow light.
Yellow light, correct? But once this is yellow light, then there are filters. People need to put that filter, then this light will convert into white, and easily they can do. In LED, it's already white, and there is only a filter which reduce the intensity because there is ND16 filter, so it reduce, you have light is 100%, right? So it reduce 84% will go out, only 16% will come down. So it will not harm any type your embryos in any of the case.
What filter is it? ND?
ND16.
कहाँ रहता है वो?
So इसके अंदर, yes, ND16.
This is halogen, yellow light है.
Yeah. So this is halogen, but suppose if you see, this is ND52 filter.
Okay. अच्छा.
So
ND
52% light it will stop, 48 it will pass on.
Okay.
So
ND60 will allow 16%.
yeah, will allow only 16%, 82% it will stop.
This is learning for me. Okay.
So
Thank you.
all our microscopes are CE, FDA passed. So everything is tested. So anything is not as bad for any of your embryo site, because all are tested. Number of years we have done the testing. If you talk about this micro manipulator, right? So earlier RI had made Nikon Integra, then Integra TI, then Integra 3. So when they are planning to make this Integra 3 in Europe, they have sent a survey to every centers, because we have data of each and every center. We send a survey that when you are using a ICSI, what you need. So they got number of inputs. This should be done. Some ask that we need needle should be setup should be in air. Some need I want timer. Some need I want image clicking. So number of feedbacks we have received. So what most we can able to do, we put into the machine. So when this machine was made, it was almost 4 years of testing, and then it came into the market. Now some other things are working. In future you will go some more upgrades. Correct.